This is an incredible transformation. You're looking at the same player Tate, just 9 months apart using full court tennis. In the left video white shirt, notice how there's very little coil in his body. His arm is disconnected, his hips aren't loaded, and he's mainly relying on his legs for power. Now look at the right video Marin's shirt. The difference is remarkable. His hips and shoulders are fully loaded, his posture is stronger, and he's creating a powerful coil that's ready to explode up into the ball. His left arm drives up, his kinetic chain is connected, and he's still elevating through contact. Is it perfect? Not yet. He could still improve by getting his hitting elbow through a little earlier. But the improvement in just 9 months is incredible. More power, better mechanics, and a much more efficient serve. Want to see how your strokes compare to the pros? Download the Full Court Tennis app and compare your strokes to the top players in the FCT Pro library, and hire one of our top coaches to analyze it for you.